Friends, I am Yashar from Indonesia. It is nice to see you again. This time I will present the article Cloud and Rain Model Universe, Answer Puzzle at Big Bang Theory. The presentation of Cloud and Rain Model Universe is the presentation that involves three main points which are connected one another. 1. Cloud and Rain Model Universe. 2. Concept of compressed matter besides ordinary matter. Compressed matter is the matter where there is no space in the entire matter. And 3. Derivation of Newton gravity equation. F equal G times D1 times D2 times M1 times M2 divided T1 times T2 times R square. Then with the 3 points above, we answer puzzles at Big Bang Theory. Mysteries at Big Bang Theory. 1. Dark matter. 2. Dark flow. 3. Asymmetry CMB. 4. Latest JWST discovery. 5. Over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanish. 6. Space expanding. 7. Faster than light. Okay, let's start. 1. Dark matter. Big Bang Theory scientists haven't yet got one firm agreement regarding dark matter. Even lately, with some gravity modification, scientists claim there is no dark matter at all. On the other hand, Cloud and Rain Model Universe has got a concept about dark matter. Dark matter is the spreading of micro-size of compressed matter in space. 2. Dark flow. Regardless of what caused it, many astronomers today do agree that studying CMB maps show parts of giant clusters of galaxies moving approximately 2 million miles per hour towards a point between the constellation Centaurus and Hydra. While this would not be significant normally, they are moving in a direction that is separate and different from the direction of the expansion of the universe. Those that do not believe in it have solid reasoning. The distribution of matter in the universe doesn't account for it, but those who believe it is occurring are continuing to document and study this phenomenon. Big Bang Theory cannot receive the claim dark flow. On the contrary, Cloud and Rain Model Universe must change dark flow very much, because dark flow is what Cloud and Rain Model Universe expect to direct us toward the universe's core, which is certain constellations Centaurus and Hydra. 3. Asymmetry CMB. The cosmic microwave background CMB is leftover radiation from the Big Bang or the time when the universe began. As the theory goes, when the universe was born, it underwent rapid inflation, expansion, and cooling. The universe is still expanding today, and the expansion rate appears different depending on where you look. The CMB represents the heat leftover from the Big Bang. The universe began 13.8 billion years ago, and the CMB dates back to about 400,000 years after the Big Bang. The maps give rise to new mysteries, however, such as why the southern hemisphere appears slightly redder or warmer than the northern hemisphere. The Big Bang Theory says that the CMB would be mostly the same no matter where you look. Then the following is the answer from Cloud and Rain Model Universe. Cloud and Rain Model Universe states that CMB is the trace of dark matter dynamics. Dark matter is the spreading of micro-sized compressed matter in space. According to Cloud and Rain Model Universe, southern hemisphere really must appear slightly redder or warmer than northern hemisphere. It is because the location of the universe core at southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. This situation has equality pattern with atmosphere of our Earth. The farther the location from the Earth, the colder it will be. 4. Latest JWST discovery. New Big Bang Theory. James Webb discovers 750 galaxies outside the universe. NASA Space Information. And James Webb Telescope just detected 750 galaxies beyond the observable universe. Night journey. James Webb Telescope just detected 750 galaxies beyond the observable universe. Physicists say that the universe originated in an event known as the Big Bang approximately 13.7 billion years ago. Yes, that discovery is against the age of the universe. 13.7 billion years. Then the following is the answer from Cloud and Rain Model Universe regarding the above articles. Actually, before this 750 galaxies discovery, there are many important discoveries like huge LQG Large Quasar Group in early 2013, Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall in November 2013, and JWST discovery of 6 galaxies from the beginning of the universe in 2023. With since those discoveries, I have claimed that Cloud and Rain Model Universe is the answer of such discoveries. That is because those discoveries are against the age of the universe 13.8 billion years. All of those discoveries are harmonious with Cloud and Rain Model Universe with its infinite. 5. Over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanish. Now something emerged. Over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanished. Now something emerged. So for the most distant galaxies, we can almost go back to the Big Bang. Imagine looking at the night sky and finding it empty. There are no stars, no galaxies, only darkness. What if we told you that this is more than just a thought? What if we told you that more than 700 trillion stars had disappeared from Earth? Confusing scientists and surprising the Earth. But wait, there is more. Something came out of the void, empty, empty. This is not a cosmic mystery, but this discovery will challenge everything we previously believed about the universe. We will embark on an adventure into the depth of space where the impossible becomes possible and the unexpected becomes reality. Yes, this case is a big mystery for Big Bang theory. On the other hand, this case is really very important for Cloud and Rain Model Universe. Even Cloud and Rain Model Universe has waited for this case since it is declared. This event, over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanished, has equality pattern with the rain on our Earth. Although there is still one point, we still don't get yet. Where is the direction of those stars heading? Yes, Cloud and Rain Model Universe expect that those over 700 trillion stars headed for southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. And if that is the case, it is complete that the case is harmonious with the rain on our Earth. 6. Space expanding. The universe continued expansion. The universe is not only expanding but expanding faster. This means that with time, nobody will be able to spot other galaxies from Earth or any other vantage point within our galaxy. We will see distant galaxies moving away from us, but their speed is increasing with time. Harvard University astronomer Avi Loeb said in March 2014, Space.com article. Cloud and Rain Model Universe. Notice that until now, we only get to observe just a part of the entire universe. It is expected even less than 20% of the whole universe. So, the case with Big Bang theory assumes the space expanding is only the case in a part of the universe. That case has equality pattern with the event. If we release thousands balloons from one area at the Earth to spread out to the air, every balloon will recede from each other with the receding velocity increase by increasing the distance. That is the way Cloud and Rain Model Universe answer the space expanding concept of Big Bang theory. 7. Faster than light. Cloud and Rain Model Universe states that compressed matter can travel faster than light, while ordinary matter cannot. Compressed matter is the matter where there is no space in the entire matter, or the compressed matter is the matter where there is no space between compressed atom structure matters. The compressed atom structure matters is the atom where there is no space between atom nucleus and electrons. The compressed matter is just dense matter. As a consequence of its ultra-dense matter, compressed matter can flee faster than light. Although compressed matter disobeys upper speed limit settled by special relativity, but it still fully respects special relativity. Actually, some misinterpretation has occurred. The following is the text taken from Wikipedia. Speed of light. As a result, if something were traveling faster than c relative to an inertial frame of reference, it would be traveling backwards in time relative to another frame, and causality would be violated, where c is the speed of light. See the picture above. This is only the assumption event. The object is traveling from A to D. We have two observers. One observer named X moving with the object and the other one named Y staying at D. On arrival at D, the observer X opened the door of the craft and get handshake with Y. Observer X must get the absolute local time at D without denying. Observer Y says to X that he saw nothing observation of the craft or object coming at all before X coming. The X arrival there is all of a sudden like a ghost. Yes, that is because X and the craft travel faster than light. So X arrived earlier than the light to send the observation of X travel. Then they both watch what happened next. For object traveling from A to D with the speed faster than light but less than 2 times the light speed, starting since the arrival of X at D, both observers will watch the observation of backward travel of the object from D towards A with the speed faster than the real movement of the object from A towards D. And for object traveling from A to D with the speed more than 2 times the light speed, starting since the arrival of X at D, both observers will watch the observation of backward travel of the object from D towards A with the speed slower than the real movement of the object from A towards D. So, it would be traveling backward in time means an observation of the object traveling backward. Like we can see our action on the mirror, it is expected that causality wouldn't be violated on this faster than light case. Samples of compressed matter are black hole, dark matter, star nucleus, planet nucleus, moon nucleus. Thank you friends, see you on the next articles.